Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you how to make money with e-commerce business in 2021. Online market are still booming with opportunities. There are still billions of dollars to be made in e-commerce. So there is no surprise that new companies are opening every day. If you are struggling to make a go of your e-commerce biz or really want to see some massive growth with this year, here are 7 proven strategies that make more money online. These tips will help you to make money with e-commerce business. Number 1, create a blog that drives traffic on your website, on your e-commerce website. One of the hardest part of growth and e-commerce business is getting enough traffic to your website. Most e-commerce business rely on paid ads to generate sales, but this is expensive and cuts into your profit margin. So I recommend you to create a blog that drives traffic on your website or your e-commerce store. In number 2, invest in a good PIM software solution. Being able to get your products online quickly and efficiently is a visual option long-term success of your e-commerce company. Number 3, use shopping ads from the starts. Getting sales from the get-go is visual to your long-term growth as an e-commerce company. One of the best way to get sales right away is to set up ads that target your customers from the start. Number 4, get your products on as many channels as possible. Being is more than one location online is a must if you want to proposal your growth. Growing an e-commerce company starts with a drives efficiently strategy backed with clear channels of distributions and legal enforcement. It may not sound good, but it absolutely one of the biggest challenge most companies face. Number 5, the more you automate your process, the faster you will grow. The most you are automate process, the faster you are grow, the faster and easier you will grow. Getting up system take time, but it's time to well spent. 6, invest in the right software from the start. Choosing the right platform for your e-commerce business is serious discussion. To make time to do your homework first more before you are commit. Don't just think about the company you have now. And last tip, invest in search marketing. Our final tip, a accelerating your e-commerce store growth with the invest in your search marketing. As we started off this blog taking about creating a blog that drives organic traffic, and yes, it's is a one way to invest in organic, but there are others. Learn all you can about SEO and keyword specific industry topic that you are in before you launch your shop. If you are going to be using platforms such as Amazon, you are going to have a learn how Amazon ranks their products as well. I mean, you need to learn SEO also.